Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Cubot R19 to Xiaomi Device. Firstly, you're going to Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download anyway and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Xiaomi and send on Cubot over here. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you'll select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with one file, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and then tap on receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Xiaomi. Tap on while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!